Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a task in Zoho CRM. Tasks are a great way to track what needs to be done and ensure no opportunities slip through the cracks. So let's get started. The first step is to navigate to the tasks. First of all, you have to log into your Zoho CRM dashboard. And to do so, just go to your web browser and type in Zoho CRM and search for it. Once the website appears, you can enter your account credentials or create an account if you haven't already done that, and you will be directed to your dashboard here. Now, on the top navigation bar of the dashboard, click on Activities and select Module. Select Tasks from the drop-down menu or select Tasks here. Here you can see on the top, right here, click on tasks and this will appear. The task menu will appear. After that, the second step is to create a new task. Click on the plus new task or create a task here. A pop-up window will appear where you can fill the task details. Enter the task owner, the subject, the due date, the contents, the account, the status, the priority, and the reminder, and the repeat. You can toggle these options on and off. After that, enter a title for your task and set a priority level. You can choose either high, medium, or low, and then assign the tasks to a team member if you need it. Third step is to link the task to a record, and the same pop-up link the task to a relevant record such as lead, contacts, or deal. This ensures the task is associated with the right context. And that's it. You successfully created a task in Zoho CRM. Use tasks to stay organized and keep your workflows running smoothly. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions about this topic, feel free to leave a comment below the video and we'll be glad to answer it. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.